Hi there, and welcome to this brief tutorial of the features of LRA, created by Jealous Cloud. First we have the pencil. Allows you to draw freehand. Then we have the line tool, which obviously allows you to draw lines, and the eraser, which you can rub out lines. Next we have this adjustment tool, which if you grip the little white dot you can move stuff around, or up and down if you grip, or around if you grip there. Then we have these other basic tools: play, stop, the flag, which allows you to have a little checkpoint so you don't have to rewatch the whole track each time. Here's an example. If I press the flag button here, you'll see that position of a transparent Bosch, or the person on the sled, we call them Bosch, is where you will then reappear if you press stop and hit play. You also have access to different kinds of lines. We have red lines, which accelerate Bosch. There are 3 different kinds. If you hit tab or right click on this red patch, you can get the different kinds. There's 2 times, which is accelerates him even faster, and 3 times, which is faster still. There we go. You can also click on the line itself, and you can then increase that again using the multi-line tool as necessary. Moving on from these features, if we go to the Preferences tab, some of the commonly used features: contact points. This visualizes the skeleton of Bosch. All of these tiny blue dots act as nodes on the skeleton, which can then be interacted with using the lines. Now, as you can see here, it's just changed from clear and pink to yellow, which indicates that he will die in the next frame. You can move through specific frames using the arrow keys. So if I go to the next frame, he's now dead. And the reason for that is this area underneath the line, which we call the line hitbox, which you can also visualize if you check this this section. The line hitbox is an area that's programmed to pull these contact points on top of the line. So it's useful to be able to see where that is to avoid dying, or for some of the tricks such as flings and gravity wells that take advantage of this effect. Next we have momentum vectors, which, as you see here, they just show the direction you're going, and we have hit test, which shows that you've collided with a line. So I haven't collided with this yet, but if I go 1 frame forward, it lights up red to show that I have. You also have onion skinning, which allows you to kind of predict what's going to happen without having to skip through frames. Can be a very useful tool. Then we have some of the other options. You can change the background color, change the camera options, you can change the playback options, change the sound, and even change the key bindings. Here in this section you can also find all the shortcuts to speed up your workflow, and get the update section. Now if I go to options again and go to track properties, this is where you can get a song and sync a song to a track. So in this case, I just click this and click sync to track, when I press play, this will play from the very beginning. Quite a user-friendly process. If you're unsure, just press the help, and there's this handy explanation of what you need to do here. Okay, so I think that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.